Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is an edu lesson. This is part 1. Remember to listen for those magical IDs. So today we're going to be graphing lines. And we're going to start with the slope-intercept form. And this is the slope-intercept form. Ready? Y equals rise over run x plus the starting point. So the number on top tells me to rise, the number on the bottom tells me to run, and the number over here is going to tell me where to start the graph. So here's an example. We're going to go with y equals 3 over 1 x plus 2. And if I'm going to graph that, let me draw a coordinate system on my paper. Ideally, I'd be doing this on graph paper, but since you're doing everything in your notebook, and that's all right, I start at 2, and then I go up 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1, or I could go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, and there's my line. We're going to add a little bit more to this. Right? This is the start. Okay, you're going to go practice this now for a moment, and the part 1 lesson ID is hat. Okay, we're going on to part 2, and part 2 is also going to be graphing. It's going to be graphing from standard form. So let me get that ready to go. All right, standard form. Comes to us like this: ax plus by equals c. And what I do is I split it. That becomes ax equals c, by equals c, and then I solve both of those. So here it is with some numbers on it. So if I had 2x minus 4y equals 8, I'd split it into the x equation. So 2x equals 8. Negative 4y equals 8. And then I solve it. So x equals 4, y equals negative 2. How did I get that? 8 divided by negative 4, 8 divided by 2. Okay. And now that we have those, we're going to graph it. So there's my coordinate system, and these are the intercepts. So x equals 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equals negative 2, 1, 2. And there is the graph of it. And the magical word is clip, like paper clip. C-L-I-P, clip. All right, part 3. We're going to do vertical and horizontal lines. So if we have x equals 2, is a vertical line. What would that look like if I graph it? I come over here to x equals 2. I put a point, and I draw a vertical line through it. If I had y equals 4, this is horizontal. So I come to y equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I draw a horizontal line through that. There we go, we just graphed a horizontal line. All right, the magical word is line, as in I have just drawn a line. And that's it for this edu lesson. Thank you for watching. Go finish the work that goes with it.